This is an unboxing video for the Vortex Razor HD Gen 2. And as we can see from here, this particular one is 4.5 by 27 by 56, an EBR 2C MOA illuminated reticle. And in this case, the razor is made in Japan. Comes with the usual manuals, stickers, lens cloth. Comes with a shade, batteries, tools. Nice looking little tool there for modifying things on the scope. Comes with just some temporary lens caps. Feels straight off the bat, it feels solid, really heavy, and it's got very chunky looking turrets here, even bigger than the other scopes we've looked at from Vortex. It's got a really interesting finish on it. It's not the traditional black, and when we weigh this, we'll see that it is substantially heavier than the majority of scopes that we've looked at. Of course, it has parallax here that goes down to 32 yards. It's got an illuminated reticle, and it has uncapped and very large turrets. In order to be able to move the turrets, you have to pull them, and that then allows you to manipulate them. As you can hear, they have a solid click. They feel very, very solid and easy to use. And let's just check the weight. So that's the heaviest scope that we've measured so far, pretty much 3 pounds. And it certainly feels like a fantastic long-range shooting scope. So that's the quick unboxing of the Razor HD Gen 2 rifle scope.